Greetings, my name is Libby and I'm with the OvrStream team. Today we're going to show you how to link hotkeys in OvrStream so you can set your titles to play on demand. Once you've selected the title you want inside of OvrStream, there's now a helpful Hotkeys field. Double-click inside of the box and the software will be listening for your input. Type the keys you'd like to assign, then click anywhere outside of the box. Now you've got a hotkey assigned to that alert. To clear an assignment, simply double-click to reassign, then click out before you've typed anything. Want to control your OvrStream title cards on your Stream Deck? Simply take note of the hotkey you've assigned inside of our software and then map one of your Stream Deck keys to the same action. Now they're connected. If you ever need help from the OvrStream team, you can find us on our social media pages linked below, or you can join our user community Discord. The link is in the description box. Feel free to join and share your creations. We can't wait to see what you make with OvrStream.